Hi guys, welcome back to Dup Chinese. Today I'm going to share some tips and tools for Cantonese style learning. I promise it will be quite useful for beginners. Before I start it, please allow me to briefly introduce. This channel is for Mandarin and Cantonese learning. I will post a video once a week and notes 3 times a week on this social media. If you are interested in my content, make sure that you have already followed all of this. If you want to support me, you could be my private student and support me by PayPal and Patreon. And I also have 2 study groups. Feel free to join them and say hello to me. First tool is Jyutping. Lots of Cantonese beginners are anxious about how to learn Jyutping. Tones are the most confusing things for beginners. Here is a good website for you to practice your Jyutping. First, you could choose all initials here. For example, bo, bo, and then select the final and then combine them. We can find that there are 3 tones for this combination. Try to read it by yourself first, and then click the pronunciation button to check your answer. You can also record your voice to check it. You can also use this table of Cantonese label to practice it by yourself. If you want to learn these initials and finals one by one, you can buy my Jyutping material, which includes over 60 infographics and my voice clips for it. Check the information below to get more information. Number 2. Characters to Jyutping tour. If you just want to learn how to speak Cantonese and don't want to learn characters, you may have this trouble. Oh, Gloria has already posted a new feed. Let me check it out. It's all written in Chinese. I don't understand. As a Cantonese, we don't type Jyutping when we chat. How could we convert characters into Jyutping quickly? You just need to use this website. There are different romanization systems for Cantonese. And change the setting of displays before your conversion. Number 3. Characters to speech. If you are not good at Jyutping, you just want to listen how to pronounce it. You can copy these words and place on Bing Translator. And then select the Cantonese traditional and click the sound button.
我學緊廣東話.
Yeah, I know. Textured speech sounds a little bit weird. If you think it's quite fast to you, you could just open this website. It's called Cantonese Tools. And then you can select the speech on your need.
我學緊.
Number 4. Cantonese-English dictionary. If you want to search some words, you could open this website. It's quite convenient to find words in English, and the meaning of Cantonese words are available in this website. What's more, you can pick written or spoken language as you need. You could also use this website to set up your study plan. Click back to the main page. You could find that there are different vocabulary needs. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate learner, I believe you can find something suitable at your level. Number 5. Pop-up dictionary. Language immersions are quite important for our language learning. You can watch TV shows, listen some Cantonese songs, and read some Cantonese articles. But it must take you time to search the meaning of words every time. What should we do? Luckily, there is a Chrome extension to solve our problems. Cantonese pop-up dictionary. When you meet a new word, you just need to click the button and move the mouse on it. The Jyutping and the meaning will pop up instantly. Number 6. Jyutping keyboard. Typing Chinese characters will help us to memorize Jyutping and characters at the same time. But where could we download the Cantonese keyboard? If you are an iPhone user, you can download Jyutping on the App Store and follow the instructions to enable the keyboard. I love this keyboard a lot because you can review the Jyutping all the time, which tone and which initial. It looks quite simple but practical. That's what I recommend for iPhone user, but I know there was lots of different kinds of keyboards. You could download it and find it out by yourself. For Android user, you could use Gboard. And then for Windows user, you could download this keyboard. I will show you here.
First, once when we open the website, we will find this all in Chinese. Use the Google translation.
A few moments later.
After we change the page into English, I did certain description to you, so I am a slacker, so I just picked this one. It say that as a Windows user, I need to download this one. So find the installer down there and download it quickly. I know that the safety notification will pop up, but just ignore it. Do what they ask you here and then keep waiting. Click the keyboard, click the icon and setting button. Here they give us lots of normalizations of Jyutping, but you just picked Jyutping, okay? Now you could test it.
It sounds a little bit complicated to download it. And then for MacBook, actually I don't know, because I don't have a MacBook. Maybe if you are a MacBook user and you have some recommendation, please leave me a comment down there. Share your materials to other people, okay? That's what I recommend today. And if you are interested in learn Jyutping with me, and then you could contact me to buy my Jyutping materials. And then for the rest tools, I think it's quite useful for a Cantonese learner. And I know that I have already recommended all these materials for the members of my group. If you want to get more useful Cantonese learning tool, just join in my group, okay? Right now it's for free. If you think this video is quite useful for you, please like and share it. Many thanks and appreciation for all these nice websites and developers. See you next time.